welcome back to another video here on my channel. And if this is your first time watching a video from me, then hello, my name is Sheree Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm gonna hop right into this. But first, before we do, if you're interested in my hair, how I did my hair, then stay tuned for the next video that should be uploaded after this one. And if you're interested in these eyelashes that I'm wearing right now, then I will have a code for you guys down in my description box, so check that out so you can get a discount on these lashes. I love her lashes. Let's hop right into this month's box for May. So this is the base box, and this is an overview of what my box looks like. It's gonna be hard for me to show you guys, but this is it. So this is the theme for this month, which is Mother Nature. And I have variation 63, which is on the other side right here in this corner. So let's just go ahead and hop right into this. It does mention on the side that this was packaged with gloves and love. That's what it says on here. So the very first thing in here is this lip pencil right here in Fantasy. It's by GC, which I don't know this brand. Gerald Cosmetics. So this is from Gerald Cosmetics. Now, I think I'm just going to put this to the side for a giveaway. So unfortunately, I will not be opening this. I want whoever wins this, whoever has this, to actually be the first one to open it. So I won't open this, unfortunately, but this is what the shade is supposed to look like. So yeah, I think this is a really nice packaging and color. The next item that I have in this box is this right here. And this is in the shade Toffee. So this is their Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crown from Trezique. I actually love Trezique. I have one of their lip products, and I highly recommend their lip products. Really nice, looks very gorgeous on me. This product, however, I will not be opening as well, so that's why I'm getting this product out the way next. But here's on the side more in depth on how it works. So you have the cap cover right here. You have the actual concealer. Then you have the sponge on the end. So that's how this product would look. And one of you lucky subscribers will win this soon for my 1K giveaway. This is the next item right here. So this is in the shade, I don't even know what shade that is. Via Conduct, I don't know, y'all. That's what it says. This is a sheer pigmented lip gloss with coconut oil, and that definitely intrigued me. So this is the color that they sent me. This looks really nice on. I will go ahead and swatch this. I did try this out, y'all, because I saw this color and I said, oh no, why did they do it? They already sent me a shade just like this last month in my Boxyluxe. Not last month, but in my Boxyluxe box, they sent me a shade just like this. But really, it's not even that dark. I'll let you guys see. It's more like a berry type of shade. But you see when you rub that in, it's not even that dark like how it looks in the packaging. It looks way more dark. I actually love this. I'm actually glad that I opened it up and tried it out, because it is not as dark. Going on, it takes a really good couple of coats to even get to a color like what you see right here. When they say sheer pigment, they really mean sheer pigment. It really takes a while to get it to show up, and it's not even this dark at all. So I do love this. It feels really good on the lips. Has coconut oil in it. So yeah, you guys, please forgive my son. He's in the room now and he wants to help. Next item that is in the box, and this is the item that I chose for this month's box, and this is this product right here from Glam Glow. So this is what that consistency looks like. Literally looks like a smoothie or some type of yogurt or something. Really love this. My skin actually loves this. I was a bit afraid, I'm not gonna lie. I was pretty scared to really use it because of it being like with, I guess, like berry type of stuff, ingredients. I was a little bit worried on how I was gonna feel about this, but I actually love this and definitely probably might repurchase. I don't know. I've already used it and I loved it, so we'll see. And a little bit goes a long way. This is a lightweight kind of mask. Last product that I did receive in my box. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. So this is what this looks like. It has a really nice packaging, really nice and cute. So let's actually take this out of the box. So that is so gorgeous, y'all. Look at this. I just love their theme. Really gorgeous. So I do want to smell this. Oh, look. You can put your cotton pad and do like 1, 2 like little puffs. So I guess I can't smell it. Let's see. Just smells like micellar water. I'm really glad that I received this in my box. Please let me know down below how you feel about this month's box. Definitely good, always a good box money wise. These 3 products right here will have to be my favorite items that I received this month. I mean, obviously they're the 3 I'm keeping, huh? But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please be sure to give your girl a big thumbs up before you go. And if this is your first time watching a video from me, then you may want to consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload. You all have a wonderful day or night. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Bye.